Hi all. ఈ వీడియోలో we will be discussing about vocab. అసలు vocab ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అది ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపరేషన్కి ఎందుకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాస్ అవ్వడానికి ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంటుందని ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. అండ్ సెకండ్ డివిజన్ విల్ బీ అబౌట్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ స్కెడ్యూల్. ఇఫ్ 6 weeks ఉంటే హౌ విల్ బీ ప్రిపేరింగ్, 4 weeks ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతాము, లైక్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద వీక్స్ we will be dividing the preparation work. Firstly, vocab వచ్చేసి it's words, nothing but just the words. English words అన్ని మనకి మీనింగ్స్ తెలుగులో ఎలా ఇంటర్ప్రెట్ చేయాలో తెలియదు కాబట్టి we will be learning those words. Approximately there are around 600 to 700 words which we'll be reading on everyday basis so that we can remember it. Let me first explain. ఒక డైలాగ్ వచ్చేసి it is a mixture of segments. And segments ఏంటి, dialogue ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది you will be seeing in another videos. And segment is a mixture of vocab. So vocabulary words ni అన్ని mix చేస్తే it will be a segment, which is your answer basically. And vocab అనేది 3 different types గా ఉంటుంది. First one is difficult, second is moderate, and another one is easy. Easy words example వచ్చి I can give you as eyes, which we call it as kallu, మీకు తెలుసు, హ్యాండ్స్, చేతులు. ఇలాంటి సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ మనము మన డైలీ లైఫ్ లో వాడే వర్డ్సే, వాటిని ఈజీగా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. కమింగ్ టు మోడరేట్ అనేది చాలా మనం తెలుసు వర్డ్స్, బట్ అవి మనం యూజ్ చెయ్యం. లైక్ యూస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉపయోగించడం, కానీ మన డే టు డే లాంగ్వేజ్ లో వి యూజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్ యూస్. వీటిని మోడరేట్ అంటాం. సో మనం చదివితే మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు టు యూజ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అవర్ డైలాగ్. థర్డ్ టైప్ వచ్చేసి డిఫికల్ట్ వర్డ్స్ అంటే అది అసలు మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు వినలేదు అండ్ అసలు మనం వాడము. ఇలాంటి వర్డ్స్ కి మీద మనం ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈస్ డయాబెటిస్. సో వి డోంట్ నో వాట్ డు వి కాల్ దెమ్, బట్ దానికంటూ స్పెసిఫిక్ వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది వొకాబులరీస్ లో, ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ మధుమేహం. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే ఇలా మీకు సెట్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి, 600 to 800. అవి మనం చదువుతూ ఉండాలి. Let me share the screen and show you the set of vocabulary words. Firstly, మీకు vocab drive అనేది మీకు డ్రైవ్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు you will have the whole set, important repeated words, intro vocabulary, legal vocabulary అంటే లీగల్ డైలాగ్ కి సంబంధించిన అన్ని vocabulary. మెడికల్ vocabulary means all the medical related words. Then vocab 1 to 23. So 1 to 23 is a mixture of all the vocab for all the topics. Let me open 1 to 4. When a student starts preparation, then I will ask them to start with page number 1. If you see, aged care center, interest, choose. So in the law, the way I will be asking you to prepare is you have to take a pencil and mottam page lo you will be having around 30 words. In those 30 words, you will be first ticking off, like ఏజ్డ్ కేర్ సెంటర్స్. కొంతమందికి ఏజ్ కేర్ సెంటర్ అంటే ఏజ్డ్ అంటే వృద్ధులు అని తెలుసు, బట్ కేర్ సెంటర్ అంటే దే డోంట్ రిమెంబర్ యాజ్ సంరక్షణ కేంద్రం. దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో, దెన్ యూ విల్ బీ లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్ అండ్ దెన్ మళ్ళీ you will go to second word, third word, fourth word. In this way you will finish the whole page. Then once you finish the first page, you will be, it's better you take printout, ఎందుకంటే printout తీసుకుంటే it's very easy for you to mark the words which you don't know. మొత్తం printout తీసుకున్న తర్వాత you will be again repeating the vocab without looking at them. It's just but by hearting the words. Then ఇప్పుడు మీరు రిపీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ ప్రెటీ షూర్ అందులో 50% వర్డ్స్ మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు, బికాస్ అవి మీడియం కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫికల్టీ. చూస్తే చదివితే గుర్తుంటాయి, బట్ అందులో వన్ టైమ్ రివిజన్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ డిఫికల్ట్ విచ్ యూ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్. దెన్ యూ టేక్ పెన్సిల్ and you mark each and every word. In this way, after finishing first page, you will go to second page. This first page preparation will take most probably 15 minutes. Then you go to second page. Then you do the same thing. Next third page ke mundu you do 1, 2, 3. Then fourth page ke mundu 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, for every student, I would say 6 pages per day is max. Introduction ki, first revision ki, because 6 kante ekwa pages chadute, then we keep forgetting and we get confused with the words. Second day when you come for studying vocab, then 7th page నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు you will make sure you study the whole words 1 to 6 pages. ఇలా చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే all that you have learned the previous day, including the words which you have marked especially with the pencil, వాటి మీద ఎక్కువ కాన్సంట్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది because they were the words you can't remember. So అందులో నుండి you will erase off some of the words because it is a second revision for you. ఇలా we will finish off all the 23 pages of vocabulary. This is how we prepare vocabulary. And ila oka 23 pages anedi you will be finishing in max 10 days or depends 9 days 12 days. Idi ayipoyin tarvata it doesn't mean that you will be leaving the vocab. It means only first revision is finished. Now coming to second and third revision ante entante me first revision ayipoyin tarvata every day you will be studying at least 20 minutes of vocab. Doesn't matter what page, you'll be just opening the pages and you'll be doing 20 minutes of revision. Second revision vachesariki maybe you'll be doing half of the pages for 20 minutes. Next third revision vachesi you will do like 20 minutes ki you'll finish off the whole 23 pages because you will not study all the words. You'll be studying the words which you don't remember, the one which are marked. Ila cheste em avutadante by the time your exam is commencing in a week or so, no matter what a vocab word chusna you will get into your mind. If we don't study it consistently, I mean one day chadivi inka 2 days gap ichi third fourth day chadute, then you can't remember what you studied in first day. It's better you study every 20 minutes every day from the day of preparation to the exam date. Like rape exam undante ee roju kuda we will be preparing vocab. Why the vocab enduk inta prepare avvali ante if you don't know vocab then you can't form the sentences. If you don't give your answer in Telugu, I mean meeru iche answer Telugulo lekapothe, then you will not get marks. So ala ravalante nothing but you need to study those words and use those words. So idi vocab oka importance. సో ఈ vocab access అనేది మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు we will be giving you, and క్లాస్ కి వచ్చే 1 week ముందే I will be asking everyone to prepare them at least one revision or half of the papers. ఎందుకంటే అవి చదవకపోతే the first class will be too much of confusion. Like words ravu, ela cheppalo ardham kaadu. So it's better you guys study at home. Then we will be using those words in the dialogues. Now I will share the screen and just explain you how we will be dividing the schedule for your exam. Basically, most probably preferable time is 6 weeks for NATI preparation Telugu. ఈ 6 weeks కొంతమందికి 6 weeks టైం ఉంటుంది, కొంతమందికి 8 weeks టైం ఉంటుంది, కొంతమందికి 4 weeks టైం ఉంటుంది. I ask students if they are having 8 weeks, then వాళ్ళు class లో join అయినప్పుడు I will help them preparing the vocab as well. I mean in the class we will be doing. But students who join for 6 weeks, then I will give them 1 week access and I will ask them to study. And if it is 4 weeks, then 100% student ఖచ్చితంగా vocab చదువుకుంటారు because ఈ 4 weeks లో we can't study the vocab and we can't be perfect. Next, let us consider if it's 6 weeks. Then first 2 weeks వచ్చేసి student will be preparing only vocab at home, not in class, not class. Because in class we will be doing dialogues. ఈ dialogues లో students ఏం చేస్తారంటే they will make sure that they do note taking in a proper way. Note taking chesi they will form the sentences by using English words. Like ippudu manam maatlade day to day language laga, like manam maatlade words lo half of them are of English. So in that way we will be doing. This is the 2-week schedule. Next 2 weeks, 6 weeks to 2 weeks are finished. Next 2 weeks vachi ఈ 2 weeks as student will be already finished with the first revision of the words. The first revision ante entante he can start preparing the dialogue on his own at home. Dialogue preparation at home. Then in class we will be doing dialogues and we will be eliminating the mistakes. eliminating mistakes. Like for instance, mistakes ochesi, there are two types of mistakes people do. One, first set and second set. First set anedi manam chala concentration ఇవ్వాలి because they are of lot of marks. Second set వచ్చేసి it is like in order to gain more marks, so that like first set మీరు కవర్ చేస్తే you will definitely pass, but second set కవర్ చేస్తే it's like మీరు ఎక్కువ మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోగలుగుతారు. So depend on your time, whatever preparation time is there, I will be asking you to do that. So next 2 weeks వచ్చి in the class you will be answering the dialogues by eliminating mistakes plus by using the Telugu vocabulary words which you have prepared at home, because even though you are preparing dialogues at home, you will be doing 20 minutes of vocab anyway, 20 minutes of vocab. In this way, you will be getting perfect in vocab and you will be answering in the class. And ikkada we will be eliminating first set and coming to, so here in 6 weeks, 4 weeks are anyway finished. Now we have only 2 weeks, 1 week and 1 week. In the 5th week, we will be dealing with eliminating second stage of mistakes. This includes, to give you overview, hesitations, gaps, time management. Already time management anedi mundu prepare avutam, but here you will be performing it by making sure that nothing goes wrong. And also at home, then meeku ichche drive access valla you will be covering all the topics. So in the previous 2 weeks where you're preparing dialogues plus this week, in this 3 weeks I will ask the student to do minimum of 3 dialogues per day plus 20 minutes vocab. So you will make sure that you finish off whole drive and you be ready with each and every topic. Last week you will be dealing with the mock test. You will be having 4 mock tests or 3 mock tests depending on how many weeks of preparation you're going through. Mock tests plus you will be dealing with a special folder of dialogues which is called mock practice dialogue. This is a difficult set of dialogues, I mean very lengthy. This will challenge you like to the maximum. Ante enta worst case of situation undi, if you get very very long dialogues and long segments, then you will be able to deal. And mock, it will be one-on-one, so you will be able to actually give your answer same as the exam, and you will be receiving a mock report by saying which one are in which sections you are losing the marks and which one you have to improve and what is your strength. In this way you will be dealing with your whole 6 weeks of criteria. And for instance, if it is 4 weeks, then I'll be eliminating the 2 weeks of vocab at the front, and I will be from the day one, I mean meeku 1 week munde access ichesi, from day one I'll be asking you to start preparing the dialogues, or I will ask student to prepare 5 dialogues per day instead of 3 dialogues per day who are doing for 6 weeks. And if it is 8 weeks, it's a relaxed journey. Meek elanti problem undadu. You'll be doing it very slowly and you'll pick up slowly depending on the number of weeks. But less than 4 weeks is not at all suggested until and unless they have already given exam in some other language and they know all the tips and tricks and note taking to the max. There are some students everaithe 3 weeks lo crack chesaro, but they were like giving half of the day preparation with full consistency all the 20 days. Then in that way we can crack the exam. So this video is just about how the vocab looks and how much you should be preparing for vocab and ela prepare avali and your exam schedule. Thank you.